So this poor calf, again somebody tied a tight nylon rope around his neck and forgot about it, and he's suffering a very serious wound. So we'll have to cutting this rope. Feel much better now. So careless nylon rope can lead to this damage here, but we'll make him much better now. He's a good boy, very brave boy. Aren't you? Yes, you are. Ready? So you might ask, what harm can this little piece of nylon rope do? Well, just watch this clip, because every year hundreds of calves die a terrible death because farmers, when the calf is born, will tie this nylon rope around its neck to maybe show people that they own it, and many times they forget, or the calf and mother escape, leading in fatal consequences. So please, if you see anybody doing this, please ask them not to. And farmers and owners who are doing this, please remember that you can be prosecuted with heavy penalties for cruelty to animals if you do this.